Hello everyone. Today we will see a beautiful lady repair a Samsung S21 screen with a green line. The test found that the line is on the far left of the screen. We use a laser to find the location of this line on the IC. Our laser machine has a measuring function. The cursor moves to the first lamp bead on the left side of the screen. Then reset the meter to 0. The calculated distance to the green line is 0.750. Then the app calculates and accurately finds the location of the outgoing line fault on the IC. Now let's label the screen. Test again. The line is still on the far left of the screen. Next, let STK look at the back of the screen. Move the cursor to the IC position. We can see that the wires extending from the IC have obvious signs of burning and disconnection. This kind of fault is a common problem of Samsung screens. This error occurs in many models. Next, we need to carry out the next step of repairing this screen. If you are interested in repair methods, contact us. We provide better maintenance guidance services. Well, after our repair, you can see that the green line disappears. Screen repair completed. Check out our mark. This proves that the screen has not been swapped. Let's look at the burned part of the circuit. You can see that it is exactly the same as before. But the miraculous thing is that the screen has been repaired successfully. If you have any doubts about the video, please bring your screen to us. We will repair it in the same way.